Okay, the grand experiment begins today. We have two beehives and they have two wet boxes on top. And a beekeeper had asked us if we had the ability to house these two beehives for him. And we willingly and eagerly said, yeah, bring them over. So the problem was there's a neighbor across the street has a pool that are inundated with the bees. So here's our potential theory testing solution. I've got 4 buckets of water out here, and if you notice there's like a rag in there that's draped across so that if any of the bees get stuck in the water they can crawl out, and branches and sort of make it look a little natural, and sticks to hold everything down. This has got pool water in it, so we'll see what happens here. This has got, I believe, salt water in it, which pool water has chlorine, which is sort of bleach, and salt. So we're going to see what the difference is between straight pool water and straight salt water. And over here we've added some sugar water, which I bet you anything they're going to drink that all up for everything else. And then over here it's fresh water, which I'm not sure I want to test it with bleach or not, or just leave it just plain water. So we'll come back later this afternoon and see if any of the bees have discovered this new water source, and we'll stay away from the pool at the neighbor's house, which is about 150 feet away. So that's my plan. I'm really excited to see what happens.